Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning,
we are
sir.
studying.
Did you all watch the YouTube video related to direct
Yeah.
and inverse proportion?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Watch it.
You have understood all the questions of inverse proportion?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt in that?
No, sir.
No. Should I take the new lesson or shall we continue with the direct and inverse proportion from NCERT exemplar, at least objective type questions?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Objective
That
type
is not
question.
objective we wanted.
Objective type. Okay, sir. This is the first question. Totally, there are only 16 questions related to this chapter. Both u and v vary directly with each other. It means it's a direct proportion. When u is 10, v is 15, which of the following is not possible pair of corresponding values of u and v? Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15 and 27.
U is given as 10, v is given as 15. Among this, which one is not possible pair that we need to identify? Before that, you should remember that the ratio of u and v is a constant because it is a direct proportion.
Direct proposition.
In this, if you take 10 by 15,
2
you
by
can
3.
divide both by 5. We'll be getting 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, this is
By 3.
possible.
Yes,
If you
sir.
consider 8 by 12, 8 by 12, if you are dividing by 4, we again get 2 by 3. So this is possible. In the third one, 15 by 20, if you are dividing this by 5, what do we get? 3 by 4. So this is not possible. Let us check this also. 25 upon
5, sir.
57.5. This is divisible by, let me divide first by 5. What do I get? 5 by?
Sir, directly by 12.5, sir.
Directly you want to divide by 12.5. Okay, sir. No issues. 12.5 2 times is 25. 12.5 3 times is 37.5. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is also possible. Only option C is not possible because in the direct proportion, the ratio is
Yes,
constant.
sir. Option is C.
This you must remember. Right. Let's look at question 2. Both x and y vary inversely with each other. When x is 10, y is 6. Which of the following is not possible pair of corresponding values for x and y? Like the previous question, here we have to consider the product as constant. In the previous one, the ratio was constant. In this, product is constant. It means that x into y is constant. What is x into y here? It's 10 multiplied to 6, 60.
60, sir.
If you do 12 times of 5, the product is 60. So this is
Yes, so
possible.
option number D is
15
not
times of
possible.
4. What is 15 times of 4?
60, sir,
It's
60.
possible,
60,
no?
sir.
Is
C option
possible.
60.
60, sir.
25
Sir,
into 2.4.
60, sir.
60, sir.
It is 60 because
60,
25
sir.
into 2 is 50.
Sir.
0.4
Sir,
into
that's
25 is 10.
point in.
10 plus 50 is 60 is possible.
Yes, sir. But the D
This
option is
particular
not.
thing is not possible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Not.
What is the product, sir?
Sir, 58.5.
58.5. So this is not possible. Let's move on to question 3. Assuming land to be uniformly fertile, the area of land and the yield on it vary directly with each other, inversely with each other, neither directly nor inversely, sometimes directly, sometimes inversely with each other. Yes. What do you say?
Sir, directly with each other.
Directly with each other, sir.
Option A.
Directly with each other, sir. Option number A.
How can you say that it's directly with each other?
Sir, more the fertile land and we will get more the crop, more the yield, sir.
More the land.
More the fertile land, more will be the production, isn't it?
Cultivated.
But
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so option is option A, directly with each other. Question 4, the number of teeth and age of a person vary.
Inversely, sir.
Option
No,
B,
sir.
sir. More the age, less the number of teeth.
If you consider a infant, very small child, it will not be having teeth. Once the once the age of 3 or 4 is reached, the number of teeth will go on increasing. Further,
Yes, sir. Option number
when
B.
you reach
Inversely
very
with each
old,
other.
the number of teeth will decrease.
Decrease, sir. Increasing and decreasing.
Mm, can we say that it is proportional?
Yes, sir. Inverse proposition.
Inverse, huh? See, beginning ages, if you consider,
Number
two teeth
D.
will be there.
So
In,
sometime
So
directly and
sometimes directly and sometimes inversely.
uh, how can you say that sometimes directly? For this, I need justification.
so at the beginning.
Sir, because of the old
Yes, direct proportion will be there.
increasing
You
of
must have seen
yes, yes,
some kids, no?
increasing of
Some kids, uh, they will be having 1 or 2 teeth, where the same age kid may have more number of teeth, isn't it? So we cannot exactly say that it is directly or inversely proportional.
They are not.
So according to me, option C should be the right answer. What do you say?
how it is.
See,
Yes, sir, it is correct
for
because
example,
Yes, sir. It is
a
not
kid of
necessary that
2 years.
in many persons at certain age.
Yeah, two kids I'll take. This kid may have only 2 teeth. This kid may have 4 teeth. When he reaches at the age of 4 years, this kid may have 10 teeth. This kid may have 10 teeth only. Here
Yes,
there is
sir.
no increase directly. It's proportionally, it is not increasing now.
Yes.
So I feel that option C has to be correct.
Yes, sir. C is correct.
But sometimes many of us will feel this is also correct, because generally what happens, the number of teeth will increase in the beginning stage, then they decrease in the later stage, isn't it? So I think a C or D should be correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Let us take another question. A truck needs 54 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 297 kilometers. The diesel required by the truck to cover the distance 550 kilometers is it a direct proportion or inverse proportion? That we need to identify first.
Direct proportion.
The
Direct, sir.
Yes, direct, because more the
Direct
amount
proposition.
of diesel, more will be the distance covered. So it's direct proportion.
Yes, sir. Direct proposition.
How do we find? Like
So
how we
550.
solved earlier, here I'll make two columns. One is for the diesel, other is for the distance covered. If the diesel is 54 liters, distance covered is 297 kilometers. or what amount of diesel it will cover 550 kilometer. Yeah. We know that it's a direct proportion. In direct proportion, the ratio will be equal. So we can consider 54 upon 297 is equal to x upon 550.
Upon 550.
So x will be 550 times 54 divided
Equals,
by
sir.
297.
297.
9, 6 and 9, that
3
is
into
3,
99.
Sir, 3, sir.
Divisible
9,
by
9,
69,
318.
18,
so
sir.
9, sir.
Sir, 550 and 297 are divisible by
9,
11, sir.
3 is 297.
Sir, option A, 100 liters. 100 liters.
You have cancelled this, isn't it? 9
Yes, sir. It will be cancelled.
96, sir.
9
33 times, sir.
33,
33
sir.
times.
33.
33, ja.
11.
It is
2, sir. 311, sir.
11 3s are
1150, sir.
1150 times 3
50,
2 times.
Yes,
3
sir.
was 3
3 to 50 we get it as 100.
100 liters.
So 100 liters is the
Diesel
correct
is
answer.
required. Yes, sir. 100 liters diesel is required.
Right. Question 6 now. By traveling at a speed of 48 km per hour, a car can finish a certain journey in 10 hours. To cover the same distance in 8 hours, the speed of the car should be. Now, if you observe, the time is decreased. So, what should be the
Yes, sir.
speed?
Inverse
Speed has
proportion.
to
Inversely
Inverse
proportional.
proportion, sir.
Inverse
inverse
proportion.
proportion. Very good. Speed has to increase now.
60 kilometer per hour, sir. Answer.
In the
Option number
inverse
A.
proportion,
60
the
km per
product
hour.
Option number A, sir.
60
Yes, how do we calculate?
kilometer per
Hmm,
sorry.
speed
Sir,
is one thing.
the multiplication of those two units are constant, no, sir? So 48
Yes, sir.
into 10 should be constant.
Speed is 48
48
kilometer
into
per
10
hour.
divided by 8, sir. 48 divided by
This will be
8.
10
Time 10 hours. 10 hours.
8. This we need to
For
find.
8 hours, how much
Since
speed
it
is
is
required?
inverse proportion,
48 into 10 divided by 8.
the product
480 into 480 divided by 8.
divided by 8
8.
will give the value of y.
60, sir.
60.
60.
60
60, sir.
kilometers per
60, sir.
option A.
So earlier
60
it was
kilometers.
48. Now the speed is increased to 60.
Yes, sir.
These two
60
options is
kilometers.
not possible. So there may be option
60
left
or 80?
A and B.
Yes.
It's easy.
Yes, correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one, in which of the following case do the quantities vary directly with each other? So here we need to keenly observe x and y value, p and q value, r and s value, u and v value. Then we have to identify. Yes, how do we identify?
Sir, you have to
Sir,
see ratio.
0.5 into 4.
Find ratio, sir.
Sir, to find the ratios,
Only option A will be direct
Ah,
Yes,
proportion.
sir.
option A is the right
Option
answer.
A, sir.
Increasing.
Option A is
Option A.
directly proportional.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Option number A.
0.5 by 2.
1 by 4, sir. Yeah.
4
Equal
is
to
1 by 4,
Simplify,
sir.
it is
1 by
1
4.
by 4.
1. Yes, sir. 1 by 4.
This particular thing also will become 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 8,
1
4,
by 4.
1 by
1 by
4.
4.
1 by
This
4.
is also
1 by
1 by
4.
4.
1 by 4.
So
They are all
option
are
A we are getting directly proportional.
Yes,
What
yes,
about
sir.
these remaining? Do we
Sir,
get the
there
same
no-
ratio here? 2 ones are 2 nines
Yes,
are
sir.
1 by 9. This is 4 by
No,
9.
sir.
Not possible.
4 by 9,
Sir, we
sir.
can't get.
In this 2 by
Not
25
divisible
is
only, sir.
1 by
12.5.
2.5.
12
This
by
is 1 by 2. It is not
1
possible.
by 2. No, sir.
1 by
Option
1.
is inverse
2 by,
proposition.
sorry, 4 by
8
8.
by.
1 by 2.
No, sir. 4 by 8. 4 by 8.
Yes,
So
1 by 2.
1, 2
This
is
is 1
to.
by 2, this is 1. So
Yes,
these
sir.
three
Yes, sir.
cases, it is not directly proportional. Only option A
Option
is
number A is
directly
correct.
proportional. Okay. Which quantities in previous question vary inversely with each other? We have to see the previous question again.
Option C.
number
This.
C, sir. Option number RS, sir. RS. RS, sir. R and S.
RS.
Or
Yes,
inverse
why,
proposition.
sir? Why?
Sir, in option C, the constant term
Yes,
is
sir. There an
Sir,
inversely, sir. Increase to decrease.
This is in this. Okay.
Sir, option
R and S, the product has to be constant, isn't it? If it
Yes,
is
sir.
inverse proportion, the product has to be constant. Here, when we look at the product, this product will be 1, this product will be 16. So this is not possible.
Yes, sir.
1, this is 4 8s are 32, not possible.
Yes, sir.
2, 25, when you multiply, you will get 50. 5 into 2
Yes, sir.
is 50, 10 into 5 is
Yes,
50.
sir.
25. Every time we are getting 50 here. So this is
But
only
it is not.
50. In this,
No, sir.
Sir, last
36.
time.
Sir,
No,
50 into
No,
0.5
sir.
is not equal to
Last one
50.
we will get 25, sir.
Sir.
Last
25, sir. 50 into 0.5.
sir, 50 into 0.5 is
Last
20.
one. Yes, sir.
Last one.
Sir,
25.
50 into 0.5.
25.
Sir, answer will be 25.
Sir.
Correct, sir. So
You
this,
can't. It is also
since
Option
this
D
is
will be
there,
right.
it's
option
not
D, sir,
possible.
answer.
Option D, sir.
D is possible
D.
because each
Sir,
time
option D.
the product we get
36.
is
We will get 36.
36.
36.
So that will be equal, sir. All
Very good. Very good. Very good. Question 9. Which of the following vary inversely with each other? Speed and distance covered, distance covered and taxi fee, taxi fare, distance traveled and the time taken, speed and the time taken. Which one will vary inversely? Look at the
Sir,
first case.
option D.
Speed and distance.
Option D, sir.
Option
Option
D,
D.
sir. Speed and time.
Sir, D.
Speed is
Sir, option D.
D, sir.
time will be
Yes.
decreases.
Many of
More
you
the
are
speed,
saying
less
that,
the time.
many of you are saying that option D is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
D. This one.
Yes, sir. D.
Sir, what is the meaning of taxi fare, sir?
What is the meaning of taxi fare?
Fees of the taxi.
What should I say? It's the amount to be paid when you travel in a taxi from one place to another place. That is taxi fare. If you travel with some speed, you will cover some distance. If the speed is increased, distance also getting increased. No, this is direct.
Yes, sir.
Distance covered under taxi fare. If you travel 100 kilometers, you'll be paying some 500 rupees.
Yes,
The
sir.
same 1000 kilometer if you travel, you have to pay more. So direct proportion. Distance traveled and the time taken. More the distance traveled, more will be the time taken. Direct proportion.
Yes, sir.
Only this option is inverse
Speed less will be
proportion.
the time. More the speed time, the less.
Yes,
Speed is
the speed is
increases,
increased,
then the
the
time
time
will be
decreases.
decreases. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Question number 10. Both x and y are in direct proportion, then 1 by x and 1 by y are
Inversely proportional, sir.
in
Inverse
indirect
proportion.
proportion.
Inverse
Yes,
proportion.
earlier class I
Inverse
had
proportion.
mentioned that this word indirect proportion is not there. Okay, neither direct nor inverse. Sometimes direct, sometimes inverse. So what do
They
we
are
say?
in
It's
inverse
inverse
proportion.
proportion.
Yes, sir. Inverse proportion.
Inverse proportion. But what is the reason here?
Sir, x and y is
Sir,
in
direct proportion will raise more, sorry.
Direct proportion.
Ratio is constant in direct proportion.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the ratio?
1 by
X
x
by y.
divided by 1 by y, sir.
1 by x
If the
and 1 by
quantities are changed, 1 by x divided by 1 by y. What will be this?
there will be x and
1
y.
by xy, sir.
Y by x it becomes now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Y by X.
Is y by x constant?
Yes.
How to justify this answer?
Sir, they told X and Y are there.
Yes, sir. They are two numbers, sir. X and Y and 1 by
Okay,
1.
let us think in a different way, not by taking ratio. Let us think, if x value increases, y value also increases, isn't it? If you take
Yes,
like
sir.
this, if x value increases, y value also increases, then it is called as a direct proportion.
Yes,
If 1 by
Yes,
x
sir.
value increases, what will be 1 by y value?
it will
This
increase.
also increases.
Numbers.
1 by Y, sir.
This also will increase.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is
Option number
inverse proportion. Is it like that?
Sir, how it will be?
How it will be? I also have the same question here. How it will be?
Sir, in X and Y we put different numbers, sir. Then we can check.
Yes, let
Sir,
us
answer.
take 10 and let this be 100.
Yes, sir.
If x value is 10, y value is 100. What about 1 by x? 1 by 10, na?
1 by 10.
1 by
Yes.
10. 1
1
by
by
100.
y
One
is
by
1 by
100.
100. Now, instead of 10, if I take 20 here, this becomes 1 by 20.
1 by 20.
This is 200. What is 1 by
1 by
200?
200.
You just tell the value. This is 0.1.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is going
0.
decreasing, sir. It is decreasing.
1 by 100.
What about this? 0.2.
2.
5, sir.
0.2.
0,
0.02.
0.05.
0.05.
How about this?
0.005.
0.005.
0.005.
When this quantity is getting
Decrease.
increased, 1 by x value is decreased, no?
Decreasing.
X value is increased. Here x
Decrease
value,
it, sir.
1 by x value is decreased.
Yes, sir. Decrease it.
This also decreases.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it is increasing here.
Sir,
Right side it is
Yes,
increasing,
here
sir.
it is increasing, sir.
0.01 become
0.019, 0.05. It is increasing.
This is less than this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Increasing
Sir, I
and
think option C, sir.
Neither indirect nor in.
Yes, sir. Neither in direct.
neither in
Sir,
direct or
option
not
D,
in
sir.
indirect.
Sometime indirect.
We are not getting answer.
Actually, I feel that it is direct proportion. I feel like that.
Also, inverse proportion.
Let us
That 0.05 is greater than 0.005.
let
Yes,
us
sir.
keep
They are
this question pending. Let me think for some time. Then I'll get back. I have doubt in this. Let's see the next one. Question 11. Meenakshi cycles to her school at an average speed of 12 km per hour and takes 20 minutes to reach the school. If she reaches the school in 12 minutes, her average speed should be.
20 kilometers.
20 kilometers per hour, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to find?
The speed into time divided by time.
Sir, not sir. It is inverse proportion, sir.
Sir, 20 minutes is equal to 12 kilometer, 12 minutes
12 into 12 divided by 20.
divided by 20.
Let us use science here. What is the speed?
Speed 12 kilometer per hour.
yes, sir.
Speed is 12 km per hour.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And she is taking a
Time is
time.
20 minutes, sir.
Time
Of
taken
20
is
minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
1 by
Let
3rd of
us
an hour,
find
sir.
distance from this. Let us find distance from this. Distance will
Speed
be
into
equal
time.
to
240.
speed into
1 by
time.
3
Please,
40, sir.
240, sir.
Into
So
time.
240.
240, sir.
20
Into
kilometers.
Side,
kilometers, sir. 4 kilometers.
20.
240, sir. 12 to the 24.
No, sir, 1/3.
240.
1/3,
This is
sir.
No,
in
sir.
terms of kilometer per
247.
hour.
Sir, it's minutes.
So let
Yes,
me
sir.
divide this
Per
by
hour it
60
is.
so that we will get
Yes,
in
sir.
terms of kilometer.
Yes, sir. Kilometers. 0 like
4
cancel.
It will become
40,
4
sir. 40
kilometer.
kilometer.
4 kilometer.
Yeah, 4 kilometer. This is the
Yes, sir.
distance.
4 kilometers. Sir.
Suppose here
Samarth is
the
singing songs. Samarth, what is the new time taken? 12 minutes is the new time taken.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
12 minutes.
So distance divided by time taken. Distance by time will give the speed.
Speed.
4 by
4
1.
divided by 12.
4
by
divided by,
1
this
by
is
12.
12
1 by 3.
kilometer per hour now. So we have to
Into
divide this by 60.
60.
Yes, sir. 1 by 5.
1
So
by
let
5.
us simplify 4 into
4 into
60
4
Sir,
by
4 into
12.
5, sir.
divided by 12.
Sir,
20
4
by
into 5, 20 kilometer per hour.
20 kilometer per hour, sir.
So 20 kilometer per hour. So option C
Sir,
is
it's
the right answer.
directly inverse proportion, no, sir?
Yes, sir. It is in inverse proportion. The reason is lesser the time, more should be the speed.
Yes, sir.
You want to solve in that method?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to solve in that method, what you have to write?
So 20 into
You have to make column. In the first column, what will you mention? Speed you will mention.
B.
And here you will mention the time.
Time.
If the speed
12
is
kilometers.
12 kilometer per hour, the time taken
20
has to be 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
X.
12 minutes.
Let me convert this
How much?
here only.
Yes, sir.
12 by 60 kilometer per minute is okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
X
What should be
kilometer
the
per minute.
speed if the time taken is 12 minutes? Since
12
this is
divided by
inverse
60 into
proportion,
12
the
minutes.
product has to be equal.
12 by 6.
So 12 by 60 into
60
20
into
should be equal
20.
to 12 into y. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
21 to 20.
23 times, 24 times. So we get it as 3, no?
So without converting into minutes, we can do directly.
We can do directly, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you do directly, you'll get the
It will
answer. No?
come. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will come correct.
Yes, sir. Direct, sir.
We
Okay.
can do
If you
directly.
convert, if you don't convert this,
So 12 into 20 equal to 240.
this is per hour. So 12 into 20 is equal to y into 12.
Yes, sir.
So
Y equal to 12. Y equal to 20.
you'll get y is equal to 20.
20, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
20 is there in terms of kilometer per hour because same unit has to be carried forward.
Yes, sir.
So you will get 20 kilometer per hour. So in this way also it can be solved. Yes. Question 12. 100 persons had food provision for 24 days. If 20 persons left the place, provision will last for?
Sir, 100%, 100% is equal to 24 days.
Tell me, will it increase or decrease?
Sir,
Decrease,
It
sir.
will increase,
decrease,
sir.
sir.
Increase,
It
sir.
will
Increase, sir. Inverse
increase.
proportion.
Increase,
sir.
Will
It will
increase.
increase, sir.
increase, sir.
The option
It
C.
has to increase.
120 days.
Sir, 30 days. 30 days.
Option A, sir.
30 days.
No, 120
Option
days.
Yes, sir. Sir,
is
option
30 days is correct answer. Let's
Yes,
see
sir.
why it is correct answer. This is the inverse proportion.
100
sir.
persons work 24 days.
Here persons, if 100 persons are there, the total number of
24
days
days.
the provision will be
24.
24 days.
If
80.
20 persons left, it becomes 80.
Yes, sir.
We need to find
X.
this y.
100 into 24 by
So
80, sir.
100 into 24 divided by 80 will give value of y. 0, 0, 8, 3 times. We get it as
30 days.
And 30 days.
so 30 days is a right answer. Question 13. If two quantities x and y vary directly with each other, then x by y remains constant, x minus y remains constant, x plus y remains constant, y remains constant, x into y remains constant. Which one?
Option A, sir.
Sir, option A,
Option
X5, Y remains
Option
constant.
number A, sir.
They have given that they vary directly.
Option number
So
A,
for
sir.
direct proportion, ratio is constant.
Yes, sir. Constant. K is equal to constant.
Okay, next question is also similar. P and Q are the quantities if they are varying inversely. Which of this option is
Option
correct?
C, sir.
Option C.
C,
Very
sir.
good.
P
Into Q remains constant.
Correct answer because the product will remain
Option
constant.
number C,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Product will be same.
Very good. Question number 15. If the distance traveled by rickshaw in 1 hour is 10 kilometer, then the distance traveled by the same rickshaw with the same speed in 1 minute is.
Sir, 60 minutes is equal to 10 kilometer. 1 minute is equal to.
60.
How to crack this answer? Yeah?
166 meters, sir.
166. 166 is where?
100 by 3 meters, sir.
Meters, sir.
1 by 6 kilometer.
Sir, 1 by 6 kilometers, sir.
Pawan
So
has said this
500 by
answer.
3,
500 by 3.
3 meter.
Naman has said the answer. 500 by 3 is correct answer, but why?
Sir, 60 minutes will take 10 kilometer will take 60 minutes, sir.
10 by 60.
Option number D, sir. D is
Sir,
correct
option
answer.
10
10 by
kilometers,
6.
it is taking
Option number
60
D, sir.
minutes.
1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter.
For how many kilometers?
1 meter. 1
It
minute.
has to
It will
be,
be 1 minute.
it will be covered in 1 minute. We have to calculate.
Yes, sir.
So it's like
10 into 1 divided by 60, sir.
10 kilometer means 10 into 1000 meters
10,000.
Divided by
divided by
60.
60 minutes.
3. 0, 0.
One.
Sir, 1000 by 60.
500 to the 3 to the 500 to
This
the
will be
3 to the, sir.
Sir, 20 into 3.
500 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Option number D is correct.
500 by 3 meters is correct
Yes, sir.
because they have asked for 1 minute.
Yes.
Correct now? This you will get in terms of meter per minute. So it means that in a minute, 500 by 3 meters can be covered. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Last question is both x and y vary directly with each other. When x is 10, y is 14. Which of the following is not possible pair of corresponding values of x and y? If they are varying,
Option B, sir. 35 and 25.
sir. Option B, sir. 35. Option D,
what
sir.
will be ratio?
Sir, 5:7.
5:37.
5 is to 7.
Yes, sir. 5 is to 7.
Is 5 is to 7 maintained in these options?
Yes, sir.
We have to check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is maintained.
7. And in option 7, 5, 7, 7.
7, 5, sir. It is
In
7
this-
is to 5, sir. Option number
Option
B.
A, sir.
This will be 7 is to 5. This is 5 is to
Yes,
7.
sir. Option
5 to 7.
is
In
7
this,
is to 7.
5 is
5 is
to
to 7 because
7.
divisible by
Sir, 5 is to
7.
5 is to
In
7.
this,
5 is to
divisible by 3.
7.
5
3.
is to 7.
7.
So only in this option it's not possible.
Yes.
7 is to 5 is there, sir. So option number B.
Option B is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
So 16 objective type questions were there. I have solved all the 16. Shall we stop this chapter now and we'll continue with the new chapter?
Yes, sir.
Which chapter? Which chapter you want me to continue? Which are the chapters left out? Let me list them.
Sir, introduction to graphs and playing with numbers.
Numbers.
One is introduction to graph.
Solid shapes.
Sorry.
Solid shapes.
Introduction
Sorry,
to graph.
Introduction to graph.
Graph.
Visualizing.
Visualizing
Yes, sir.
solid shape.
solid shapes.
Yes, sir.
Playing with
Visualizing
numbers.
solid shapes. Playing with numbers.
Playing with numbers.
Yes, sir. Playing with numbers.
Playing with the numbers.
Yes, sir.
Sir, start
Second,
second.
sir.
Visualizing
Second
solid
one, sir. Visualizing.
Introduction to graph.
Graph.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Introduction to
Visualizing
graph, sir.
solid shapes.
This is
Sir,
in
start with the
continuation.
best point to you, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is in continuation. This chapter I had missed somewhere in the first term. This is there in first term? No.
Yes, sir.
Second term only.
Yes, sir.
In book it is 10 chapters.
Probably I have started mensuration before this chapter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there I have told little thing about the solid shape because we had surface area,
Yes,
total
sir.
surface area, lateral
Curve.
surface,
Lateral
angular
surface area.
Sir,
There I
Curves.
have told little thing about this solid shape.
Yes.
Nevertheless, I'll repeat it because there is a formula. Probably this also I must have told. F, V, and U
Euler's formula,
related.
sir.
Euler's formula. So I had told, we'll repeat this, not an issue. Playing with the numbers, it is a continuation of the chapter you have learnt in class 6th. In class
Yes,
6th, there was a playing with the number.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. First chapter.
Yes, sir.
Class 8th also, it is in continuation. Here,
Yes.
there is a repetition of test for divisibility.
Yes, sir.
This concept is repeated. Apart from this, there are few tricks. What should be the letter? What by adding you have to get the result. So this chapter is very easy chapter. Out of these 3 chapters, important one is this introduction to graph. So I prefer to start with this introduction to graph.
Yes, sir.
Then we will go for
Yes.
solid
Yes,
shape
sir.
and playing with the numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And one more thing is, this particular chapter is not a lengthier chapter. It's very simple chapter. You have only few concepts like
Quadrant.
bar graph,
Bar graph.
Pictograph.
Double bar graph.
pie chart,
Pictograph.
Linear graph, sir.
Pie
Linear.
chart. Pictograph.
histogram, histogram,
Vertical and horizontal graphs.
then
Linear graph, sir.
Linear graph.
Linear graphs.
graph.
Double bar graph.
Sometimes separately it is mentioned line graph.
Line graph.
Only these concepts are there.
Yes.
Did we come across chance and probability in other chapter?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
The data
Data
In the
handling.
chapter data handling.
Came across.
It was there in
Data
data
handling,
handling.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Data
that means
handling.
Data
only these concepts are there.
Yes, sir. Data handling also completed.
In this, the new one is only to line graph and linear graph.
Linear.
These already you have learned.
Sir, histogram and pie chart.
Yes, sir.
Along with
Double
this,
graph.
you also learned this pictograph.
Yes, sir. Pictograph
Yes,
and
sir.
telemark.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Tally marks.
Pictograph also we studied.
So this chapter may
Tally
not
marks.
take more than a week. So we shall
Sir, we can complete it in just 2 or 3 days, sir.
let us discuss more questions here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir. What is coordinate geometry?
10 days.
Coordinate geometry is in continuation with this graph in class 9th. To
Yes, sir.
tell in a little time, let me consider two lines. One is vertical line,
X and Y axis.
another is horizontal line.
Vertical and horizontal.
These two lines are intersected at a point. This
Yes, sir.
point of intersection
Origin,
is
sir.
referred to as origin, correct?
Yes.
This point of intersection is named as
Correct.
0, 0.
Yes.
And these four places where it is making the four parts, they are called as quadrants. This particular place is called first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is
Fourth.
fourth quadrant. Quadra refers to four. Quadrant is four parts.
Yes, sir.
Right.
All right.
In this, whenever there is some point in any of the quadrant, it will be at certain distance away from this horizontal line and the vertical line. This horizontal line is called as x dash, x dash. It is horizontal line. It is also called as x axis. This is y dash. It is called as y axis.
Y-axis.
This x and y axis will give the position of this point.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it is say 5 centimeter away from x axis and 6 centimeter away from y axis, it is given as 5, 6. This point is referred as 5, 6. This gives the position.
Sir, why can't it be 6, 5, sir?
Why it can't be 6, 5? The reason why it can't be 6, 5 is we always take x before y. The distance from x-axis is considered before the distance from y-axis. It is
Yes.
a reference.
Yes, sir.
This particular thing was observed by a mathematician by name Cartesian when he was observing the movement of spider on the spider net. When he was observing the movement, he started thinking if it could be two axes and that particular distance of the spider can be located. If the spider, say this is spider, if it moves from this place to this place, its distance from x and y axis will change.
Yes.
Isn't it? So he gave the idea. So this particular way of making quadrants is given as Cartesian system. In other words, Cartesian coordinate system. X axis and y axis. These points, they are interrelated. This 5, 6 is called as coordinates. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In detail, it is there in class 9th.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Why in class
Yes,
8th we
sir.
have to learn this graph? To understand this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
other
sir.
doubt?
I have
Any
one
other
doubt,
doubt?
sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, from this chapter only, direct and inverse variations, sir.
Sir,
if x and y are inversely related, and if x is equal to 0, then every unit between relation between x and y will always be 0, sir.
If x is 0.
If y is any number, relation between them is always 0 only, sir. That is, constant is always 0 only, sir.
Yeah, constant will be always 0 because the product will become 0. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But we rarely get that type of situations where the product is 0.
Yes.
We have to see the example also.
Yes.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.